Okay, moving to example 4. Now we'll see some applications in which we have to find out the age. So age based questions now we are going to solve. See, in this example, the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. Okay, after 5 years their ages will add to 66 years. Find their present ages. So what they have given, that Sahil's mother age is 3 times the present age of Sahil. Whatever age of Sahil is there, it's 3 times is the present age of Sahil's mother. So this is the relation between Sahil's age and his mother's age. Now what condition they have given? They have given that after 5 years their ages will add up to 66 years. So after 5 years, if we add the age of Sahil and his mother's age, it will be 66 years. So we have to find out the present age. So when such questions are there, we have to solve. See, first let us consider that let Sahil's age be x, present age. Okay, let Sahil's present age be x. So his mother's age will be, therefore his mother's age will be, what will be his mother's age? 3 times Sahil's age. Okay, so 3 times Sahil's age. X is Sahil's age, so we can write it like this also, 3x. So 3 times x or 3x. So this is his mother's age. Now what they have given, after 5 years their ages will added to 66 years. It means what? If we see in form of table, Sahil's age, okay, his mother's age, present age. If we see here, present age of Sahil is x, okay, and his mother's age is 3x. Okay, now after 5 years, what will be Sahil's age? It will be x plus 5. This is his present age, and 5 extra. Why? Because they have given that age after 5 years. So we have to add 5. Okay. If in some questions you will find that ago, 5 years ago, means you have to subtract. Here they have given after 5 years. So we have to add. So here what will be his mother's age? His mother's age will be 3x plus 5. Why this 5? Because this is the age, these are the years which they have talking about. After 5 years, so after 5 years his age will be x plus 5 and his mother's age will be 3x plus 5. Now they have given that this sum, total of these ages, this x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5, together it add up to 66 years. So this is the condition. Here we can say sum. Okay, sum of these two ages they have given, it is 66 years. Now can we form an equation with this part? Now by taking this into consideration, we can write that x plus 5, this is the age of Sahil after 5 years, and this 3x plus 5, this is the age of his mother after 5 years, and together when we add up these two ages we get 66. So now let us simplify this equation. So can I write x plus 5? Now let us open these brackets. So this plus 3x plus 5 is equals to 66. Now x and 3x, these are like terms, so can we add them? 3 plus 1 is 4. So can we say it is 4x plus 5 plus 5, it is 10, is equals to 66. Now by transpose method we can solve it further. So as this is plus 10, so it will be minus 10. So 4x is equals to, can we say it is 56. Now what will be x here? This 4 will go and divide. So 56 upon 4. So it will be 14. So present age of Sahil is 14. Okay. So what will be 3x? It will be 3 into 14. That is 42. So this is what? This is the age of Sahil's mother. So we can say that therefore Sahil's present age is 14 years. Okay, and his mother's present age is, can we say it is 3x, that is 42 years. This is what we have to find out. So by using this transpose method, we can find out the present ages of Sahil and his mother. This is how you have to solve such questions. First, see the question carefully. 2 to 3 times you have to read the question carefully. You have to see what they have asked, what they have given, and then form the equation and then find out the solution.